Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Zach Sopak, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Lightroom presets using your phone, put them into Lightroom Mobile, so that way you can start editing like a champ. I've also got a free preset giveaway, as well as another little something, but you have to stay tuned to the end of the video for that one. So let's get into it. Like I said, my name is Zach Sopak. We haven't met before. I do a lot of photo and video content as well as some vlogs here on YouTube. And I also have quite a few videos about Lightroom and Lightroom Mobile. Specifically, if you want to learn the ins and outs of this app and the different tools, how to start from not knowing anything to editing like a pro, you can find the playlist to a ton of Lightroom videos up above and down below. And while you're down there, you can find a link to my digital store where I have that free preset that I want to give away to you. And that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video to show you how to download a Lightroom preset on your phone. So once you click the link to my digital store, you're gonna go down to the Coastal Punch preset and click add to cart. Once you click on that, you'll scroll down and enter your price. We'll go ahead and hit 0 and hit add to cart. Then go ahead and add in your email address. And once you've done that, hit continue. Then once the order is processed, go to your email, click on view your order. Once you hit download, it's gonna bring you to this screen where it gives you a variety of options on how you wanna handle this zip file. I'm gonna go down and click more. After you click more, you wanna click save to files. Once you've done that, save it to your phone. You can create your own folder if you'd like. I've already got one here labeled Lightroom, so I'm gonna save it to that destination. Now we're gonna go to the Files app in our phone. Click on that same folder, click on our Coastal Punch preset, and now it's opened up the folder. Then once you go inside of that folder, you're gonna see a .xmp file. This is for Lightroom Desktop. Next to the XMP file, you're gonna see one that's just labeled Coastal Punch. This is a .dng file. This is what we're going to bring inside of Lightroom Mobile, and we're going to extract the preset from. So next step is to open up Lightroom Mobile, and we're going to import that DNG. So we'll go down to the bottom right to add photos, and we're gonna choose from files, and then we're gonna go to our folder, and we're gonna click on that DNG file. Once you've imported that file, you'll see that you now have a photo with a DNG label on it. Go ahead and click on that. And now to save this as a preset, all you have to do is go up to the top right where the 3 dots are, click on that, and then hit create preset. Now we'll go ahead and name it and then choose whatever group you want it to go in. Once you've done all that, go ahead and hit the check mark. And now you've got the preset saved. Now that we have our preset saved, let's go ahead and try it out on a photo just to make sure that it's working. Go down to the 4th section on the bottom bar, which says presets, and then go to the group with which you put the preset in. Once you've done that, go ahead and add your preset. So there you have it. That's how you download Lightroom presets onto your phone and put them inside of Lightroom Mobile. Hey, I hope you got value out of this video, and if you did, why don't you go ahead and add some value right back to it by hitting that like button. Really helps out. And also consider subscribing to this channel for more regular content just like this, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that way you never miss out anytime I post a new video. And because I love Lightroom presets so incredibly much, I'm gonna put a special promo code down in the video description. The first 100 people to use that code are going to get 50% off my entire Lightroom preset pack. Now, once that code's been used 100 times, it's done. I hope that you enjoy the preset pack. I put a lot of work into it, and I think that you'll really enjoy it. Well, hey, until the next time, my name is Zach Sopak, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.